What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never, and welcome back to another update on Speedy. Please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I'd greatly appreciate it. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
Alright, so first things first, I just want to give a quick little update on Bitcoin. So as a lot of you guys know, I initially had Bitcoin drawn in this bullish megaphone, and then we ended up getting a very nice breakout and we ran up to around $103,000. But this candle got crazy, and it was like the ultimate doji candle. It had a high of 103,647 and it had a low of 92,092. That's over an $11,000 swing in one candle. That's insane. But regardless, we ended up still closing back above the 21-day moving average, which is very important to see. If there comes a time that we lose this level, then expect us to fall down to probably the 50-day moving average, if not even lower, and we come back down and retest the 200-day. Eventually, these moving averages are going to work as magnets. You have to understand that. But in the short term, if we can stay above the 21-day, then we're still bullish. And as we stand right now, Bitcoin has recovered back to 99,500. And what I like right now is that if you look at the stochastics, we are still extremely oversold. The fact that we're very oversold and above the 21-day, I still wouldn't be shocked if we do end up getting a huge breakout. And that still could go along with what I've been saying on the 10-day time frame. I've had this macro bull flag drawn for months now. And the reality is that this macro bull flag has a measure move all the way up here to around $118,000. But again, the biggest issue was breaking 100,000 because 100,000 is a major psychological barrier. But on the 10-day, we are getting to the point where we're getting a little bit overbought. So if Bitcoin is going to make that super explosive move, it's got to happen relatively soon, probably within the next month or so. But if we look at the meme coin market, you can see that a lot of meme coins just seem to be waiting on Bitcoin. They haven't really moved that much. A lot of them are either down or up 2 or 3%. But honestly, I do think that is to be expected. Now, if we take a look at Speedy, you can see that Speedy has actually bounced in the last several days. Speedy is back up to an $8 million market cap, but it is still down quite a bit from my last video, because in my last video, Speedy had ran all the way up to over a $15 million market cap. It had a very nice explosion after their audit came back clean. But again, then it fell all the way back down to around a $6.5 million market cap. But what I do want to point out is just the technical analysis of Speedy right now. So you guys can see we are trading in this previous traffic, which is very bullish. I love this for an accumulation zone. And then recently you could argue that we have potentially formed a double bottom. Personally, I love trading double bottoms. Oftentimes that does lead to a reversal. But in Speedy's case, only time will tell. At the very least, though, you can see that $6.5 million range is a very strong support level. Now, I really can't stress this enough for Speedy, but I think it's very important that you understand that the team is still grinding every single day. I am seeing so many people just telling me that Speedy is bleeding out and eventually it's going to go to zero. And look, anything is possible. Speedy could go to zero by the time you guys are seeing this video in a couple hours. But personally, when I'm looking for projects to invest in, I want to see projects that are continuing to post every single day. The ones that are continuing to grind every single day, even when things aren't going their way. That is when you can truly find out who the good projects are. You have to understand, every project out there appears to be great when they are pumping, but what projects remain resilient when they are dumping? That is the true test. And so far, I haven't seen anything negative with Speedy. And if you look at Speedy on CoinMarketCap and you look at the listings, you can see that they have Bitmart, XT.com, LCX, Biloxy, and AscendX. But if you look at the volume, you can still see that 92% of that is coming from Uniswap. That right there goes to show you that not that many people are using these exchanges, which means that there is still a lot of potential catalysts for Speedy to skyrocket in price. Because if it gets major exchange listings, that's naturally going to raise the volume, and volume is king in crypto. Now, when it comes to exchange listings, you have to remember exchange listings take money. Now, in Speedy's case, when you look at the Speedy holders, a lot of you guys seem to forget about the Speedy Vault. The Speedy Vault currently holds 2.58% of the Speedy supply. And as we stand right now, this is currently worth over $200,000. And what is the Speedy Vault? Well, the Speedy Vault is their marketing wallet. That means that Speedy has over $200,000 for marketing. And you have to understand that a lot of projects out there don't even have a marketing wallet, let alone anywhere near this size. This is another reason that I'm still super bullish on Speedy. To me, everything is still lining up for it to be a great project. The chart looks very good with a double bottom. They have a huge marketing wallet, and the team is not stopping. But again, at the end of the day, this is crypto. Anything can happen. Speedy could go to zero tomorrow. Make sure you guys always do your own research. But anyways, if you guys are interested in getting into projects super early like Speedy, then I recommend taking a look at my Discord. At the current moment, I have 3 different tiers, but we've been making massive gains in here. As a lot of you guys know, I first called Speedy at a $178,000 market cap, and it ran up to over 43 million, which is over a 200x. And then just recently, I posted a buy alert for Pepe C around a $500,000 market cap, and I put it on my consideration list at 391K. And recently, it ran over 5 million, and it's still over 4 million. So just over the last couple days, we've made another 10x. So if this is the kind of stuff that sounds interesting to you guys, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage. We're building an excellent community. I'd love to see you guys in here. But as always, I want to be crystal clear. Every single one of these projects that I cover come with extremely high risk. Make sure you always do your own research. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments how high do you guys think Speedy will go this bull run. If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.